Hello everybody, today I'll show you step by step how to jump. For the first step, you're gonna sit down and then put your hand like this and jump to the water. The second step, you're gonna crouch like this and put your hand like this and jump to the water. For the third step, you're gonna stand up and jump to the water. For the fourth step, you're gonna stand right here. Then you put your hand like this and then run to the water and jump in. Thank you for listening to our tutorial. I hope this helps.